Now, in Cyprus, all tax returns are done online, and you need to be a registered tax resident to be able to do tax returns in Cyprus. That means you need to have be registered with the migration authorities with a residency permit or a visa to live, remain or work in Cyprus. For EU citizens with Cyprus, this is a formality, but you still need to show that you have some income, at least 1,200 euros for a month for a family. And for overseas workers, there's a bit more work involved. Once you are a tax resident, for 2019 returns, they have been delayed, and those online returns can now be submitted from the 1st of June. Now, generally, there's a 3-month period to submit those, but you need to obviously be tax registered and be online tax registered to be able to submit those on time. So there's a short window left for anybody that's not already registered to be able to do that. The penalty for not making the return on time is 100 euros. Cyprus does have a self-assessment system, so although the worldwide return is going in now, self-assessment for rental, dividend, savings, pension, income or dividend taxes should have been made during 2019 already, and certainly by the end of January each year. So at the same time, at the beginning of June, the self-assessment and tax payments for 2020 should be beginning, and for some other types of taxes that are due quarterly or monthly, they should already be paid on a self-assessment basis quarterly. Again, for more information, you need to contact our tax saving experts at Product Partnership. So for 2019, one of the reasons for the delay was Corona, and the second reason was to do with health as well. Cyprus introduced a revised and updated state healthcare system in 2019, and a new tax came into force on the 1st of March 2019. This new tax is charged at 1.7% for 2019 income. Now, if you earn income in Cyprus, that's paid at source, whether it's through your social insurance or your pension or savings or investment product that's earned in Cyprus. But for expats living or working in Cyprus, but with income from overseas, when they declare their 4 years tax return, that tax will then become payable. And so the completion of the tax return and declaration of worldwide incomes could result in a balancing payment. Now, normally that payment is due by the end of June each year. There may be a small extension this year. And this year, for the first time in 2019, it will include the health tax. This is 1.7% of any income at all. There's no allowances, there's no exemptions. It doesn't matter about income tax that you paid elsewhere, or pension tax or dividend tax, or about a non-dom dividend exemption, unless you have an EU1S1 certificate that gives you an exemption from health tax, then this is payable on your worldwide income. So if you have property rental income in the UK or anywhere else around the world, or dividend income or employed income, you're working in Africa, Caribbean, South America or Asia or Russia, that income is potentially chargeable to the 1.7% health tax if you're deemed to be a Cyprus tax resident. So there's lots of different scenarios. You could be a Cyprus tax resident working overseas, paying no income tax, no dividend tax on your business as a non-dom, but you'll still have this 1.7% health tax to pay, even if you don't qualify for the healthcare system. So it is quite a big change. And if you want any help or advice on that, you need to speak to our local Cyprus ambassador in the product office by contacting us at our website at Product Partnership /contact-us. Any more information, keep in touch. You've got the information pages on our Cyprus Tax website, and you'll find more information in our vlogs and social media for living, working abroad, and follow us if you will, and stay informed, and we'll speak to you next time.